Indian shuttler Kidambi Shrikant has become the first Indian to win which medal in the BWF World Championship? The correct answer is silver medal. Now, question number second. Who has been awarded the BBC Sports Personality of the Year 2021 award? The correct answer is Emma Raducanu. Now, question number third. Who will be the CEO of the new company after the merger of SPNI and Zeal? The correct answer is Puneet Goenka. Now, question number fourth. Who has authored the book titled Indian Ancient Legacy of Wellness? The correct answer is Rekha Chaudhary. Now, question number fifth. Which state is to get its first teachers university? The correct answer is Delhi. Now, question number six. Who is the top ranked Indian in the latest ICC Test Batsman Ranking 2021? The correct answer is Rohit Sharma. Now, question number seven. Which country has been the most affected by the spam calls in the year 2021? The correct answer is Brazil. Now, question number eight. Rishabh Pant has been made the brand ambassador of which state? The correct answer is Uttarakhand. Now, question number ninth. Who has been awarded the Golden Peacock Environmental Management Award 2021? The correct answer is Steel Authority of India Limited. Now, question number 10. Senior diplomat Pradeep Kumar Rawat has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to which country? The correct answer is China. Now, question number 11. Karl Nehammer has been sworn in as the new Chancellor of which country? The correct answer is Austria. Now, question number 12. Chief Justice of India, Justice N.V. Raman, inaugurated International Arbitration Center in which state? The correct answer is Telangana. Now, question number 13. Which team has won the bronze medal at the Asian Championship Trophy 2021? The correct answer is India. Now, question number 14. The ULIP Hackathon Logistic is organized by whom? The correct answer is Atal Innovation Mission. Now, question number 15. Which is the first European nation to approve cannabis for personal use? The correct answer is Malta. Now, question number 16. Who has been appointed as BWF Athlete Commission member? The correct answer is PV Sindhu. Now, question number 17. Which country's Jomao soup has been included in the Cultural Heritage List by UNESCO? The correct answer is Haiti. Now, question number 18. National Mathematics Day is celebrated on which day? The correct answer is December 22. Now, question number 19. Which state government has announced the creation of three new districts, namely Simanyu, Newland, Chamokudima? The correct answer is Nagaland. Now, the last question is India's first IAMC has been inaugurated in which state? The correct answer is Telangana.